What's wrong, Mom?
I think I've been hacked. I woke up this morning, man. I come down to get my little flowers on and food on and do my little thing on the internet, say good morning. All hell done broke out. My internet's gone black. They screwed me up. Somebody done come on there and crucified me right before the holidays. I can't see. The screen is black.
So, Mom, what kind of screen do you have? I mean, do you think we gotta call a computer man or something?
You know what?
What?
Blue screen. You might have something working for you. You might be able to revive and bring something back.
Right.
Maybe pull up what you think you lost.
Or maybe recover or
You
something.
might be able to recover something. But black screen, your ass is in the wind. Somebody hacked me out.
So you should be okay on your phone. You can
I'm
do
shocked.
your games right on that phone.
I'm ugly shocked. Well, I didn't know all this was on there like this.
I told you. Everything that's on that computer is on that phone.
Only thing I don't like about it is too small.
Too small? Oh, to play the
My
game.
fingers is quite large.
You can watch all your videos on there too.
I can't believe it. All kinds of music. I didn't know this telephone had all this shit on it. That damn shit. Shit.
You like playing it on the phone?
No.
You still think you need your computer?
Yeah, I got to get my computer back. I call this here holding this damn phone in my hand. I got to do the taking and looking, neck all bend down. Oh. Nah, I'm back.
Now you see why everybody's
Yeah,
looking down.
you're all out of whack. At least at the computer you can sit up straight and get up and walk around. No, this ain't gonna work for me. I have to get my. Who hacked me in the first place? What happened? What happened? All of a sudden, everything went black. Started acting shaky. Screen shaking. Somebody hacking me.
Yeah.
People calling me on the telephone. Can I help you, Miss Sorry? No.
No.
And
No, you
then
can't.
I
You
said,
probably the one that
trying to get some money. And I said no. Next thing I know, boom. All hell done broke out.
What happened to your computer?
I don't have the slightest idea.
Mm.
All I know, they hacked until they hacked me off.
Oh.
Crash and land. I'm hurt. I'm hurt beyond hurt.
Yeah,
I'll be back, folks. I'll be back one day.
One day.
Carry on. Hasta la vista. Trying to see what I can see. The other day, I did notice that they cut my little stuff short on the feed.
Oh.
And then on the feed, they kept putting all this different stuff on here, people on here. I didn't know. I kept getting them off. And then they jumped in. Why you not, don't like this? I said, it's not relevant.
Right.
I said, not relevant about 4 or 5 times. Bloop, cut them off and switch them off. And then they said, upgrade. I kept right on playing my games. And next thing I know, I turn it on. I press the button, damn thing come on flipping and stuff. Next thing I know, bloom, screen gone. Somebody on the phone talking about, are you having a problem with your... Am I having a problem? I hung up.
Hung up. You hung up on them.
Yeah, because I was trying to get some money.
Yeah.
And they messed my thing. I've been down ever since. Tally-ho.
See y'all soon.
See ya. Keep up the good work, but I'm trying to get my internet back as fast as I can. My computer is down. I want my internet. I miss my internet. I really do.
Mm-hmm.
What happened? Somebody done hacked me up. screwed me up. I know I'm messed up. And I got to get my
You must didn't tell them to upgrade with.
It was looking okay. Well, I got to upgrade all the time.
When they say you need to upgrade,
Upgrade, downgrade.
do it.
I'm sick of the grades. But I know one thing, I have no grade now.
black screen grade.
You can get mad with the internet if you want to, but they will F you the hell up.
And cut you off.
They will cut you off. 'Cause they asked me, well, why you don't like this on my feed? I kept getting rid of all the stuff on my feed.
Right.
People coming on I don't know, all kinds of posts, all kinds of commercials. I don't know these people. And so I'm saying,
No, yeah, not really.
no. And then they jump back. Why? I said, not relevant. Not relevant. Not relevant. Not relevant. Not relevant.
You done
Not-
made somebody mad.
Not relevant. Not relevant. Next thing I know, boom, black screen, gone.
They said you not relevant.
Oh, you ain't relevant now. Not relevant. Not relevant.
Hey.
With your little internet. Go buy yourself a new machine. We got something for you. Oh, can we help you with any? Can we help you?
You seem to be having a problem.
Yeah. It seems like you're having a problem. Oh, yes, I am.
And you know it.
And you know all about it. Not a goddamn dime will you get from me. Because they make you pay to get back on.
That's right.
So I'm not paying to get back on nothing. I'll get my little screen back up.
Well, what you gonna do, Mom? What you gonna do?
All I can say, all my little buddies and friends out there, I'll see you when I see you. Don't want to be you. And then I'm going to see you when I see you, but you don't want to be me.
Oh.
'Cause I'm mad.
Well, how you gonna contact them now? Without your computer.
I'm going to set up some smoke signals. If they see a puff of black smoke on top of my house, they'll know I'm calling for them. That's about all I can do for my friend.
Oh.
You know what?
What?
Blue screen, you might have something working for you. You might be able to revive and bring something back.
Right.
Maybe pull up what you think you lost.
Or maybe recover or
You
something.
might be able to recover something. But black screen, your ass is in the wind.
Is that what you have, a black screen?
I got a black screen.
Oh, man.
And that means my ass is in the wind.
Yeah.
But I will recover. I will be back. Okay. And then I'm going to see you when I see you, but you don't want to be me.
Oh.
'Cause I'm mad.